Umintri ba ka jela ukan rat ke sangma handin kasngi ula banjur ba ka Jingpyntreikam ya ka Uniform Civil Code lani ka UCC kampat jujah ha ka history bat kadnom Iahap hiru na ka benta kari India namar ba kari ka don ya shibon kiriti ki dostor ba ki jaj benrio ba pher ula pensyai ba ka Jingpyntreikam ya ka UCC ka dai tang hakikat tu kat ni ki benta ki ba Iahap henrei kanom la ban long kum ka ai ba kirpang ba hapan but renti.
A uniform civil code as a concept of making sure that everything becomes uniform is not possible in India, because again there are tribal communities, there are different kind of communities, indigenous communities who have their practices, and it may not align with the government, with the other communities, and the uniformity that maybe some people would want. So therefore, that concept to impose it on every aspect of life and every community and everything uniform may not be possible.